We are tackling the personal auto policy exclusions for the property and casualty exam. Understanding what is not covered is just as critical as knowing what is, and the exam will test you on these distinctions with very specific scenarios. Let's begin with intentional acts. If an insured intentionally causes bodily injury or property damage, there is no coverage. The exam question might describe a road rage incident where a driver deliberately rams another vehicle. Because the act was intentional, the liability coverage will not respond. This prevents people from using insurance to cover deliberate, wrongful acts. Similarly, there's an exclusion for racing. The personal auto policy will not cover any vehicle while it's used in, practicing for, or preparing for any prearranged racing or speed contest. Be careful with the wording on the exam. It doesn't have to be a professional event on a track. Any organized speed contest can trigger this exclusion. One of the most tested areas is the distinction between business use and livery conveyance. While some business use of a personal vehicle is acceptable, such as a salesperson driving to meet clients, using the vehicle to transport people or goods for a fee is excluded. This is known as the public or livery conveyance exclusion. Exam questions love to test this with scenarios involving ride-sharing or food delivery. For instance, if an insured causes an accident while delivering a pizza for their job, the personal auto policy will deny the claim based on this exclusion. Another critical exclusion is using a vehicle without a reasonable belief of permission. This means if you take a car without the owner's consent, or if you reasonably know you aren't supposed to be driving it, there's no coverage. An exam scenario might involve a teenager whose parents have explicitly forbidden them from driving the family car. If the teen takes the keys and crashes, the policy would not cover the damages because the teen did not have a reasonable belief they were entitled to use the vehicle. The exam tests the